Airlines face significant challenges with traditional financial operations. This includes data silos that limit visibility and manual processes that waste time and money. This fragmented landscape makes it nearly impossible to get a holistic view of costs and identify areas of optimization. AI-powered financial operations, or FinOps, helps airlines overcome these challenges by integrating data across systems for a unified financial view. Automating repetitive tasks to boost efficiency, such as accurately predicting fuel prices and passenger demand, make FinOps a good choice. Airlines can expect reduced costs, improved revenue management, and enhanced agility from AI-powered FinOps. This enables them to adapt quickly to market changes and optimize their financial operations across the organization. The synergy between GreenOps and FinOps becomes even more compelling with the application of generative AI. AI-powered FinOps enables airlines to seamlessly incorporate sustainability metrics into their financial strategies, providing a holistic view that balances cost efficiency with environmental impact. NorthBay Solutions helps airlines unlock the full potential of AI-powered FinOps by consolidating financial data, developing custom AI models, and providing deep analytics that drive cost optimization and continuous improvement. NorthBay is an AWS premier tier partner that's been trusted in the airline industry for over 14 years. You should let NorthBay Solutions be your compass in the cloud.